everyone, welcome to my yarn haul. Today my order from Premier Yarns came in, so let's unbox it. I will be testing and reviewing these yarns and giving you guys tips and tricks for how to work with them. Stay tuned for all the yarns that I got. Try my best to give you guys as much information as possible, but if you have any other questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to respond. I got 7 skeins of Minikins chenille, 3 skeins of Parfait chunky, 2 skeins of Basix Chenille brights, 1 skein of bloom chenille, 4 skeins of little bunny, 1 skein of Parfait chunky fruits, and 2 skeins of jumbo bunny yarn. This is Premier's latest edition, Minikins Chenille. It comes in 12 different colors and each skein is only $2.99. The label recommends an 8mm crochet hook, but I like to use anywhere from a 4.5 to 6mm crochet hook for tighter looking stitches. This is basically just a cake of Parfait chunky yarn, but you get 4 to 5 colors in one cake. I was so excited when I saw this because I love all the colors in Parfait chunky, but I couldn't possibly buy every single color. These Minikins are great for if you only need a bit of each color. Overall, I'm really happy with what I got and I'm so excited to make new things with these. So at the time of editing, I found out that they don't sell Minikins chenille individually anymore and you have to buy them in packs of 3, but I still really recommend this yarn. This is a macaron jelly cat that I made using geode. Next I have 3 skeins of regular Parfait chunky. This is such a staple yarn for making plushies. I love the amount of colors it comes in. Each skein is only $4.99 and you get 131 yards, which is a pretty good deal. Like the Minikins, the label recommends an 8mm crochet hook, but I like to use a 4.5 to 6mm crochet hook. Here's a size comparison of Parfait chunky next to Minikins chenille. Next I have Basix Chenille. Premier Yarns just added a bunch of new colors and I bought 2 skeins to give it a try. Each skein is $3.99. The recommended hook size is 8mm, but I like to use a 6mm crochet hook. This yarn is pretty similar to burlap blanket yarn. Here's a little side-by-side comparison of burlap blanket yarn and Basix Chenille. I love this yarn so much, I've already used it for 2 projects. This is a Siamese cat. And here's a chicken. I got this one in my last yarn haul, but I loved it so much I had to buy it in more colors. Although it's kind of hard to see my stitches, the yarn is actually really smooth to work with, and it basically hides all your stitches so it looks like a pure plushie. I got Little Bunny in mint, lilac, cotton candy, and toffee. Little Bunny is $3.99 per skein and comes in 21 different colors. The label says 8mm crochet hook, but I like to use a 4.5mm crochet hook. Here's a mini dino that I made using Little Bunny yarn. Next I have the jumbo version of Little Bunny called Bunny. I bought 2 skeins just to test it out. Bunny is $8.99 per skein and comes in 18 different colors. I recommend using a 9mm crochet hook for it. I haven't tested this out yet because I'm a little bit scared to see how it works, but if you guys have any ideas for what I should do with it, please let me know in the comments. Here's a side-by-side comparison of Bunny and Little Bunny. Next I have Bloom Chenille. Each skein is $4.99 and it comes in 9 different colors. It is a similar thickness to Sweet Snuggles Light. I recommend a 6mm crochet hook for Bloom Chenille. Here's a snake I made from previous Bloom Chenille yarn. Next I have Parfait Chunky Fruits. It comes in 8 different colors and is $9.99 for each skein. This is basically just Parfait Chunky, but it comes in a cake and it has colors that resemble fruit. I haven't tested this one out yet because I honestly have no idea what to make, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment down below which yarn was your favorite. Bye!